Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize crowdfunding investments with Kickstarter, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by identifying your investment goals. Research successful Kickstarter projects in your area of interest. Analyze their funding strategies and backer engagement. Create an account on Kickstarter if you haven't already. Browse through projects to familiarize yourself with the platform. Seek projects that resonate with your values and interests. Participate in community discussions to gauge project credibility. Follow creators and projects that catch your attention. Evaluate the project's funding goal and timeline. Check the project's updates for transparency and engagement. Consider the rewards offered to backers. Assess the creator's track record in previous projects. Look for social proof through reviews and backer testimonials. Investigate the project's market potential and target audience. Diversify your investments by backing multiple projects. Set a budget to manage your crowdfunding investments effectively. Monitor your backed projects as they progress toward their goals. Stay engaged with updates and communicate with project creators. Reassess your investments periodically to align with your goals. Be prepared to adjust your strategy based on market trends. Ensure you understand the risks associated with crowdfunding investments. Use tools and apps to track your investments across various platforms. Leverage social media to connect with other backers and creators. Review your successes to inform future investment decisions. Stay informed about changes in crowdfunding regulations and practices. Ultimately, make informed decisions based on thorough research and analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.